Today I'm going to tell you everything about Asian FUE hair transplant, more specifically FUE mega session in Asian patients. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the celebrity hair transplant surgeon. Today I'm going to tell you everything about Asian hair transplant surgery. Hair transplant in Asians could be done different ways. We're going to show you the most traditional way, and in this case we're going to show you a big procedure, a case of 4,500 grafts in one day to cover the entire head. Asian hair transplant is not unlike any other hair transplant procedure. Asian people usually have different characteristics of the hair. Usually the hair thickness is more than average Caucasian. Hair is thicker, coarser, but on the other hand, hair density on the donor hair area is less. So if as an average Caucasian has 2 hair per square millimeter on average, an Asian person has 1.7, 1.8 usually, sometimes 1.6, which is compensating for the thicker hair. So basically overall value of hair that we can harvest and we can transplant is considered to be the same. Thicker hair, but less number of hair per graft. So let's look at this frontal view of the patient. As you can see, the whole front is significantly thin, the corners are going back, and we see the evidence of future hair loss that will be almost completely gone on the whole front and top and crown. At the next picture, we see that the corners, we brought it down. We showed the line that we're planning to bring the hairline down to. We created that little nice widow's peak. Looking at the top picture, we see the corners are gone, the crown is gone. Crown is a big area we have to cover. And even the top, between the crown and front, you see he has more hair, but in microscopic evaluation, we see that he has 70% miniaturization, meaning that he still has significant active hair loss in those areas. So we have to do something for that place too. We cannot just do the crown and front and ignore the top. If we do that, in the future, he's going to end up with a patch of hair loss on the top area. So we put more hair in crown and front, but we also put some hair on the top areas. This is the view from the back, and as you can see, there is a big area of the crown. We not only have to cover the middle of it, but we have to go around the edges and give him enough density so it goes hand in hand with the existing hair that he currently have. I hope you learned everything about Asian hair transplant procedures. If you have any other questions about hair transplant, mega session hair transplant, or Asian hair transplant procedure, make sure to send us your questions through comments or connect to us with through our social media, and we make sure that we answer questions.